working on a 2026 RZR XPS 1000. We've got issues with no audio coming out of the speakers. We've got the ride command radio. Very low hour machine. The speakers were working properly before, and then just one day just randomly quit. So on this machine, I wasn't really able to find much information on how this was kind of wired up. I know it's all factory integrated. Your amp mounts right here, and there's a plug, the single plug for your amp, and then you've got the ground. And so on these machines, the pulse bar is directly under the dash, and right beside the pulse bar is a little fuse holder. It's got a 15 amp fuse in it now. It had a 30. I was just doing some tests. So that fuse, that 30 amp fuse, kind of hanging off the frame rail right there, is the power for your amp. And before you go trying to mess with the ride command a bunch or turn it off and trying to reset it, I would go ahead and check that fuse. Done some more testing, tested the wires and everything. Everything's looking good. So I ended up testing the amplifier, and it has two main power pins on pin 15 and pin 14. They're numbered in there, so you'll be able to see which pins they are. Is the two power pins, and I've done a continuity test from ground to the power, and it's just a dead short. So I believe the internal power supply on this amp is bad. We're going to need to replace it. These amps, I looked online already and not seeing a whole lot of options right now. Most places are sold out. I did find one option for almost $400 on Partzilla. But depending on if other people are having this problem, which, like I said, I couldn't find anything online yet about this specific issue, you probably just go ahead and try to get one on Partzilla if you're having the same issues. So just wanted to put it out there because I had a hard time finding the fuse, actually, and just really any information on the wiring diagram of this specific amp. So hope that helped.